tell you why I'm so excited to share what I learned about renovation loans, let's take a look at what these loans are and what you can do with them.
The FHA 203K is attached to an FHA loan or refinance, meaning it's combined into one loan for owner-occupied homes from single families up to 4 units. The FHA 203K loan can be used not only to fund your home renovations, but also to add an ADU for rental income. For 203K, the ADU must be attached to the existing home. The FNMA Home Style and Freddie Mac Choice offer more flexible loans with regards to the ADU for mortgage or refinance with slightly higher down payment of minimum 5% depending on the type of property. There are options for owner-occupied, single-family up to 4 units, and second vacation homes and investor options for single-family. ADUs can only be financed with the single-family homes, but they can be attached, converted garages, or detached, site-built, modular, or manufactured homes. Let's jump into some numbers with an example provided by Skip Shanker. In the comparison, we'll see 2 listings. The first is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom fixer-upper, and the second is a fully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Here's the remodel budget from the first listing, including the construction for an attached ADU. It brings their total purchase amount to $987,500. So let's take a look at both listings again. The first listing used an FHA 203K loan, so they have a lower down payment of 3.5%. The second couple has a higher purchase price and a higher down payment using a conventional loan for an already newly remodeled home. Here are their respective monthly payments. We see that the monthly costs are offset by having an ADU for rental income in the first listing. To summarize, what are the benefits galore of using a renovation loan to customize your dream home? The first listing in the example, for the initial investment of their down payment of a little over $34,000 plus closing costs, they experience gains of $112,500 in home equity at the close of construction. They also have a property with costs offset by rental income and a loan-to-value ratio of only 78%, meaning the value of their home is actually worth more post-renovation than the second listing that paid for a completed home. Wow! Not to mention, the first listing at the end of renovation had a fully customized and renovated dream home. For more info on whether a renovation loan is right for you, talk to a certified lender, mortgage counselor, or real estate professional.
As always, if you have more questions about renovation loans, you can always message me, support, and follow for more tips in the future about how to get creative with home ownership.